Dissecting a frog can be an interesting and educational experience. Let's dive into it. The dissection process typically involves making incisions, carefully removing the skin and muscles, and examining the internal organs. It's important to follow step-by-step instructions and work with precision. Frog dissection allows students to examine various organs and systems, such as the digestive, circulatory, respiratory, and reproductive systems. It provides a hands-on learning experience. Through frog dissection, students can develop skills in observation, critical thinking, and scientific inquiry. Have fun exploring and learning.